Hello, and thank you for purchasing another premium Bestway product. Over the next few minutes, we will show you how to set up and maintain your new splash and play pool. Please keep in mind this video is to accompany the printed user's manual and is not a substitute. Pay careful attention to the warnings and safety instructions included in the manual, and be sure to visit your local pool retailer for information on treating the water in your pool. The most important step in setting up your pool is selecting a solid, level location. Be sure to clear the area of any sharp objects or debris. Referring to the printed user's manual, ensure all items are present in your package. Please note, Bestway sells many different product combinations. Not all the items in this video will apply to your product. To determine the accessories included with your pool, refer to the pool package. Spread out your pool. Make sure your filter pump can be plugged directly into a power port. Warning, do not plug your filter into an extension cord. This is a fire hazard that can lead to property damage. Make sure the drain valve is securely fastened. To prevent water from escaping when filling the pool, insert the stopper plugs into the inlet and outlet valves. The following information is intended for pools equipped with high-volume water filters. From inside the pool, insert the strainer into the pool's valve. Connect the nut and tighten. Connect the valve body. Next, we'll assemble the top frame. Slide the top rails into the pool sleeves. Attach the rails with the T-connectors. With the gaskets on the pins, insert the pins into the holes. Make sure the gaskets are properly positioned to protect against water leaking into the top rails. Now assemble the legs. Connect the footings to the vertical pool legs. Place the legs behind the rope and wall band. Insert the legs into the T-connectors. Make sure the spring-loaded pins snap into position. Now, tighten the rope to ensure the legs stay in place. You can begin to fill your pool. Once there is some water in the pool, get in and smooth out the liner. Work from the center outward. This is very important and must be done to ensure the pool fills properly. It's that easy. With the pool filled, it's time to splash and play. To drain your pool, attach your garden hose to the provided adapter. Place the other end of the hose in a drain area. Unscrew the drain valve cover and screw the adapter into the valve. This opens the valve and releases the water. If the pool is damaged, use the provided repair patch. Apply the glue and smooth out the patch. Note, this patch can also be applied when the pool is filled with water. At the end of the season, it is important to completely clean and dry your pool and other components before storage. Store the pool in a warm, dry place. All of these steps will ensure your Bestway pool has a long life. For customers with pool packages containing Bestway pool accessories and a filter pump, continue to the next section. For customers without filter pumps, be advised swimming pool water must be maintained. We highly recommend you purchase a Bestway Flow Clear filter pump to keep pool water clean and extend your pool's lifespan. If you have any questions about our products, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.